I want to show you how you can get more clients and more customers on this website, Linka.ng. If you go down, you'll see that different products and services are displaying on this part of the website. Your own products and services can also display here. What you are going to do is make sure you have signed up on this website. Either you have signed up as a freelancer or as a client. You can as well sign up as advertiser. But irrespective of the way you signed up, doesn't matter. Let's assume you have already signed up as a freelancer and you have another product that you want to promote on this website so that site visitors will see that product and services and patronize you. So what you are going to do is you are going to log in first. If you go to my dashboard now, you'll be prompted to log in or sign up. If you have not yet registered, then click on register. You can either register as a client, which is I am hiring. You can enter your detail here and register as a client, or you register as a freelancer. If you click on this tab, you can register as a freelancer. And if you want to advertise your product and services, let's say you have a physical product, a location-based product, you can register as advertiser. But irrespective of the way you registered, it doesn't matter. You can always switch role. Whether you register as a client or as a freelancer, you can always switch role. Let me show you how you can switch role. So let me go back and log in now. I've already registered on this website, so I'm going to log in now. I tap on login. So I enter my username, my password, and I'll click login. Okay, so this is my dashboard. If I want to switch to advertiser, simply click on this icon. You tap on profile, and if you scroll down, you see your role. Currently, I am on freelancing. So if I want to switch my role to advertiser, I click on this drop down and I will select advertiser. I will click update profile. Okay, so if I go back now, let's say I go back, or I click on visit site, I am now back to the home page. I go to dashboard. I am now on the advertising dashboard. So if I want to make payment for my advertisement, I select payment for ad. It depends on the number of days you want your ad to run. If, for example, I want the ad to run for like 5 days, or let's say 7 days, 1 day is $1. So if I want it to run for 7 days, I will select 7 days. Then if I am making payment, for example, if I'm making payment in Nigeria and I want to pay in Naira, I will select this drop down and look for Naira, which is NGN, and this is the equivalent of the $7 in Naira. At this point, you can make payment. You can make payment using transfer or by using your card. And once your payment is successful, the admin will receive the notification. Let's assume that you have made payment and your payment is successful. Now you want to start setting up your advertisement now. For the purpose of this training, we'll be using this smartwatch for example. The image that you are going to be using for your advertisement should be 16 by 9. This aspect ratio is preferable. You are going to type the title of the ad here just to save our time. Then I will type the business name here. Here I will upload the image. If you have image in your library, you can select here, or if you have the URL of the image, you can use this. But in this case, let me use upload. This is the image I want to use for this. Is uploading. Let's wait for it to upload, and that is it. It is uploaded. So this is the description. I already have the destination URL. This is where they are going to go after clicking on learn more button. I'll simply paste it here. Then for here, you can decide to use any button. You can decide to use any text of your choice. You can decide to use shop now. You can customize it the way you want. That is the call to action. So everything is set. We are going to publish it. You click submit ad for approval. Boom, the ad has gone for approval. You can see it's pending approval. So when the admin approves it, it will be live. Another option is to upload in bulk. Let's say you have several ads that you have arranged together. You can upload them in bulk using this button. You can download the template here. Just download the template and fill it. It's in CSV file. I've already filled it, so I'm going to click on this. This is it here. So I select it. It is in CSV file. This one is faster, and you just need to click on submit all for approval, and boom, and that is it. They have been submitted for approval. Let's wait for the admin to approve it. They have been submitted for approval. Let's wait for the admin to approve. Good. Now you can see the ad has been approved and the notification has been sent to my mail. So let me just go to my dashboard and refresh this page. You can see they are all live now. Look at it. All the ads are live. Correct. So if I go to home page now, I should be seeing them displaying. Let's go to home page and see them displaying. You can see they have started displaying. Very simple. So that is how you can create ad on this website, Linka.ng. If you want to create your own ad, simply tap on that link in the description of this video and it will take you to where you can get started. See you in the next video. Bye.